and we are out here at Mather Airfield celebrating 100 years of service to our community, and it is going to be an amazing weekend out here. We've got the California Capital Airshow in town, some of the biggest and best military aircraft you will ever get to see, and you're going to get to bring your family out here today, tomorrow, and Sunday to not only check out some of the sights and sounds, but you can actually get in some of these planes. And so we have a very special group of men with us this morning. You see behind me the Thunderbird aircraft. They will be performing tomorrow and on Sunday, and we get to talk to one of the pilots and someone else involved in that group. Good morning to both of you.
Good morning.
Okay, so I don't want to butcher your name. Nick Krychek?
Perfect.
Yes, I got
awesome.
it. Okay, he is a major and also a pilot here. So what is your role with the Thunderbirds?
Yeah, so I'm Thunderbird number 4, so I'm the slot pilot. And
Okay.
so I fly in the diamond formation as well as the Delta when we get the whole 6-ship band together.
And I know you showed me on your actual badge here a moment ago, so show me where your plane is
Yeah,
at.
so if you look right here, you can see Boss is in the lead. You've got the wingman to the left and right of me, and then I'm just aft, so just behind and just below Boss, flying about 3 feet from each other.
Wow, okay, 3 feet. You guys are going at incredible speeds. Talk about, this is really a group of people who has to have a lot of trust in one another, and there's a lot of experience that you've had to put in to be able to fly one of these aircraft.
Yeah, significant amount of trust, not only of us airborne, but the ground crew that you see behind us working on the jets. So they literally service the jets. I climb up the ladder, hop in it, and like we said, go fly 3 feet away from each other at 750 miles an hour plus. And a lot of trust and a lot of training to get to that point.
I know you've done this for a few years, but does your adrenaline still get going pretty high when you're up there?
Every time the heart, I would love to put a heart rate monitor and see in different portions of the show what that is. But yeah, we do try and stay as calm, cool, collected as possible. But we're going to put on a great show. I promise that, and urge everybody to come out and watch us this weekend.
Absolutely. It's so impressive what they do. It's about an hour from start to finish. I've actually got to sit in on one of those meetings that you all do before you take flight and listen to what they have to go through. They go through the entire show in their heads and out loud to make sure everything is to precision.
Yeah, safety is paramount both for us as well as the crowd. And so yeah, we chair fly and pre-flight, all of that. Talk about all of the kind of things that go into putting on a safe demonstration like that.
Absolutely. Okay, so that's just one of the things you're going to get to see. Also, we have over here at Ray Jeffrey. Real quickly, the air show runs today, tomorrow, and Sunday. What do people need to know if they want to come out?
All right, so tonight we're going to have a night show. That's at 5 p.m. The Thunderbirds won't be at that one, but you're going to see some really cool night displays, pyrotechnics. It's going to be a blast. And then tomorrow and Sunday, the gates will open at 9 o'clock, and the Thunderbirds will be performing at 3 p.m. So we hope to see everyone out there. It's going to be awesome.
Very cool. All right, by the way, the adult price tickets are all online, but if you come as an adult, you get to bring 4 kids for free. So what kind of deal is that? And wrapping up this last final weekend of summer, definitely come out. Thank you both so much for what you do. Thank you for your service to our country, and come out to the California Capital Airshow this weekend here at Mather Field, celebrating 100 years, you guys.
That's awesome. And they are, as we've been saying, if you live in Carmichael, Rancho Cordova, Gold River.
You've been hearing it.
They've been buzzing in the neighborhood. Yesterday, right as I was pulling into the driveway, just about 1 o'clock, I heard them coming, and I'm like, let me go see. And I went running out to the driveway with all my bags, looking. Oh, they are so fast. I could hear them long after they had already gone. But it is fun to see those guys taking a little spin over town.
3 feet from each other.
3 feet, that's this far. That's like this far.
With a crazy.
Big old aircraft.
Oh, I know.
That's crazy.
It's crazy.
Very fun. All right,